If you're purchasing smoothies daily, owning a reliable blender can be a real money saver in the long haul. Whether you're simply blending protein shakes or seeking a versatile appliance to serve as a food processor, we've scoured through the top-rated blenders across 12 different categories. When deciding on the right blender for your needs, take into account factors such as size, functionality, and price. Don't hesitate to invest a bit more if you'll be using it frequently in your cooking routine. It's wiser to spend a little extra now than to end up with a malfunctioning appliance later on. Here's a selection of some of the finest blender choices catering to smoothie aficionados, home chefs, crafting homemade hummus, and even those who enjoy whipping up a velvety soup every now and then. These options vary widely in size, from compact single-serve models perfect for solo meals to large, professional-grade blenders ideal for serving a crowd. At number 6, we have the Magic Bullet 11-piece blender set. This compact countertop blender boasts a 250-watt motor and comes with a variety of accessories, including 2 cups, one 12-ounce and one 22-ounce, multiple travel lids and lip rings, and one Stay Fresh lid. Its range of Togo cups, combined with its user-friendly design, makes it our top choice for a blender with excellent travel options. What's more, it's a breeze to clean. All parts are dishwasher safe, except for the motorized base. The Magic Bullet operates similarly to other personal blenders on the market. Simply attach the cup to the base and push down to start blending. However, due to its 250-watt power, it may struggle a bit with crushing ice and larger food items compared to some alternatives. Also, be cautious not to overload the blender with too much food, as this could hinder its performance. If you encounter difficulty, try blending in smaller batches. Continuing with number 5, we have the NutriBullet 600-watt personal blender. It's our top choice for the best single-serve blender. This buttonless blender features a powerful 600-watt motor base and operates similarly to other smoothie blenders. Simply lock the cup into the base and press down to blend. The NutriBullet comes with a 24-ounce travel cup, a single travel lid, and a single lip ring. Its high-powered motor effortlessly blends ice and large food items, although some users find it to be a bit noisy during operation. While most parts of the NutriBullet are dishwasher safe, excluding the motorized base and removable blade, some users have reported issues with leakage, which can make cleaning the base a bit challenging. Moving on to number 4, we have the Blendec Total Classic Original Blender. This blender is widely loved for its extra-strong blades, which ensure smooth and consistent blends, along with its easy push-button blending control. Cleaning is a breeze with the BlendTech. Simply add soap and water, and it cleans itself in less than a minute. Its high-performance capabilities make it versatile for various uses, whether you're pulverizing ice for margaritas or creating soups, dressings, salsas, or hummus. It's a hassle-free and easy-to-store blender that's ready for your next culinary adventure. Continuing with number 3, we have the Bravewell Fresh and Furious Blender. This top-rated smoothie blender boasts a catchy name and impressive features. Its one-touch preset buttons, including options for smoothie, green smoothie, and auto pulse ice crush, make it incredibly easy to use straight out of the box. The Fresh and Furious is also quieter compared to some other blenders, making it a popular choice for those seeking a more peaceful blending experience. Whether you're chopping, crushing, pulverizing, or macerating, this efficient blender will meet your needs admirably. Moving on to number 2, we have the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. With a name like Ninja, you know you're getting a powerful and reliable appliance. This blender has garnered rave reviews from over 31,000 satisfied customers, many of whom praise its affordability and top-notch performance. Among the various Ninja models available, the budget-friendly Ninja Professional Blender stands out for its sleek design, exceptional ice-crushing capabilities, and dishwasher-safe blades that simplify cleanup. With a generous 72-ounce capacity, This powerhouse blender makes it effortless to whip up fresh smoothies in large batches. However, if you're in the market for a blender specifically for hot soups, this may not be the best option for you. Wrapping up with number 1, we have the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. This powerhouse blender boasts high power and a large capacity, equipped with 10-speed settings and a pulse feature. Setting it apart from personal-size smoothie blenders, the Vitamix E310 is versatile, capable of handling smoothies, sauces, soups, dips, and more. It's the ultimate choice for those seeking to invest in a professional-grade blender. While its 48-ounce container isn't dishwasher safe, it can be easily self-cleaned by blending soap and water for 60 seconds. Keep in mind that its non-detachable blade may pose a challenge for cleaning stubborn food residue. Despite its noise level and bulkiness, Vitamix is renowned for its power, durability, and versatility. For those with no budget constraints, a Vitamix is a no-brainer recommendation. It effortlessly transforms ingredients into the smoothest, creamiest textures without the need for additional cream. Its high-powered performance even allows it to turn straight ice into slushies. With that, we conclude our list of the best smoothie blenders. We hope you found this video helpful. If so, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which smoothie blender you're leaning towards. Thanks for tuning in, and that's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed it and found it beneficial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future content. Until next time, take care.